Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check in online on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Frontier Airlines application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier Airlines if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here, as you can see, we have the home where you can go and book your flight today. So you can put where you want to go from to the selected destination. Then you have book a flight. Here you can go and search for flights. Of course, any flight that you have in mind, you can go and search for one here. We have your trips. So we have your current and past trips and everything here, your flight status and more in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check in online on Frontier Airlines. So as you can see here, you have if you are already booked. So as you can see here in the middle of the screen, it says already booked your trip, add or manage trip, or check in. What you want to go and click on is check in. And here you'll go to the my trips. So you'll go to the middle section. Here you have your current and past trips. So you can enter the information to, of course, find the trip that you, of course, want. So just put in the confirmation code and your last name, click search, and you will find your trip. And of course, then you can go and check in on that trip. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.